Titan Machinery has always responded really quick with any needs I have. I've asked for different buckets, different size machines, things like that. Things that we need that change on our jobs daily. We have a lot of things that aren't planned for in our scope of work. It constantly changes, and Titan has always kept us at the front end of everything to where they do everything in their power to keep us on schedule and keep us running. Titan has a service program though that we're under now with our new equipment that they actually let us know when it's time for service, and they come out to our location, service it up, and we're back up and running. The telematics is they're monitoring the machine without ever being on location or needing to hook into it. They let us know we're 200 hours out of a service, so that's going to be a couple weeks out for us. When's a good time to come out, take a look at it, check everything out, and give it its full service. So it's their remote link to keep an eye on the machines as well for us. It's one of the biggest things we deal with every day. That could factor in massive losses, or it can help with huge gains. The more we run and the more we run the equipment is the more money we make. So if we can do that as fast and efficiently as possible while taking care of the machines, it's best for us.